Welcome to another racing event here at Timber Creek Speedway. Today, we have stock muscle cars that will battle it out to be our champion. So let's take a look at what cars have been entered, as well as meet their drivers. We have Chase Family Racing in a 70s classic Hot Wheels Corvette, Axle Grinder 77 in a shiny Hot Wheels Mustang. Sawyer is in a 1969 Hot Wheels Ford Mustang, and also Fast Pickle driving a classic 69 Hot Wheels Pontiac GTO. Next is Violet, driving a 1970 Hot Wheels Plymouth Roadrunner. Osboy USA is representing in another classic Hot Wheels Corvette. Mia Fan is driving a nice-looking Hot Wheels Camaro. And finally, we have Slippery Piston in a Hot Wheels Mustang.
There's some great-looking cars, Vince. I wonder which one of our racers will come out on top.
They sure are, Andy, and now we get to see them race. Here's how our racers are lined up in our event bracket.
First up is Chase Family Racing and Axle Grinder 77.
Wow, that surely was a close race. It's the Corvette of Chase Family Racing to get the first heat.
Axel needs to get a super time in lane 1.
Looks like that Corvette nailed this race.
He sure did, and with a nice time too.
That fastest combined time, with C Chase Family Racing move straight into the semis.
Up next is Sawyer and the Fast Pickle.
But will he be a super fast pickle?
Not quite fast enough in this first heat.
Fast Pickle needs to be a lightning fast pickle in lane 1.
That's a fast sprint by Sawyer.
It was fast, and that's a great looking time, which combines to be a new track record. Yep, that's a fast stock car.
Super cool to get a track record for sure.
Next is Violet up against Osboy USA.
That is another fast classic Corvette race.
Nice looking time for sure. Let's see how it goes in the next heat.
That's a great looking sprint.
And super close to getting the same time as well. And Osboy USA gets the fastest combined time to move into the semis as well.
Our final race is between Tamiya Fan and Slippery Piston.
Who's it going to be to move into the semis?
That Mustang was fast across the line.
Sure was, and that's a sweet looking time too.
Last chance for Tamiya Fan with this final heat.
Oh wow, that's a close finish.
It was a close call that heat, but Slippery Piston just got it.
And he'll now move into our semifinals. So after the first round of races, here's what our racing bracket looks like. So leading off with our first semifinals race is Chase Family Racing and Sawyer.
Oh wow, that is super close finish.
And Sawyer just gets the fastest time in lane 2.
This heat is going to be a close one, too.
Look at Sawyer getting it sideways across the line. Wow, the Corvette just got it home first.
With a nice fast time, too, Vince.
But not fast enough. It's Sawyer who moves into our final. Our final semis race is between Osboy USA and Slippery Piston.
Who's it going to be to join Sawyer in the final?
Wow, that's almost a photo finish.
It's Slippery Piston that just scraped in the quickest. Wow.
It now comes down to this final sprint. And it's another close call.
Those are both some great looking times.
And Slippery Piston, by the skin of his teeth, gets the fastest combined time.
So here's how our event bracket looks after these semi-final races.
This is going to be an exciting final Andy, with Sawyer up against Slippery Piston.
Well, one thing's for sure, a Mustang is going to be our winner.
Oh heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Slippery Piston brings it in lane 2.
Sawyer needs to shift gears quick in this final heat.
Oh wow, it's Sawyer who got there quickest.
He got this final sprint, but is it enough?
Yes it is. Sawyer wins our stock muscle car event. That was an awesome final.
Congratulations, Sawyer. Not only did he win, but he also broke our track record for stock entries in the very first round.
Here's a final look at our completed event bracket. That was an amazing event, and we'd like to thank all of our racers for competing. That wraps up today's racing. And if you would like to know more about how to enter your car to race here at Timber Creek Speedway, then visit our website and subscribe for all our news, race event notifications, and more. Thanks again, and we'll see you at our track.